How to enable stream recording in Kick Streaming Mobile. Now Kick does not currently have a built-in stream recording toggle in the official app, but you can easily save your broadcast by enabling VOD's video on demand via a browser. So simply go to any web browser on your device, such as could be Chrome, then simply search for Kick Streaming and go to the first website, that is kick.com. Now after you tap on the website, you'll be loaded the official website, and make sure that you're logged in. Then simply tap on your profile icon and head over to your setting by tapping on the settings. Now all you have to do is search for a stream key. If you don't find a stream key option on your setting, it may be on your dashboard. Simply head back and tap on create a dashboard. Now after this is open, simply tap on the stream section. Then scroll to the sidebar, and there you'll find a studio option. Simply scroll down or tap down the drop down menu, and there you'll find VODs and clips. So simply tap on VODs, that stands for video on demand. From here you'll be able to access your VODs. Now here it is written you have no videos 8. You have to start streaming in order to get some. So once you start streaming, your VODs option to enable will be available on this section. So make sure to enable it, and you'll be able to store and access it. Kick automatically records your entire live stream and saves it on your channel page for up to 14 days. That is, when you go live, they will be automatically available here. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. In this way, you can easily enable stream recording on your device.